Lumabas yung ibang ako. Touchdown! I've seen this movie before. Blitzkrieg versus Panthers.
Alright, so good afternoon, ladies and gents, and welcome back to the Mindanao Majors as the Panthers scores the first touchdown of the championship match of the men's division.
Right, 1-point conversion for
6-0 and a 1-point conversion
Panthers
here for the Panthers. And
looking, running, and a block by number
And
14.
it's a block by jersey number 14.
6 points.
Only 6-point lead advantage here for the
Switch.
Panthers. At rotation na naman.
Lisura ni mag-commentate. Di katindog. Oy. Kasi na sa tingin ko dia. Okay. Diba na gusto umambak ko kung exciting ba. QB. Renz Lanorias from Mindanao / Cebu. Snaps. Frank runs. Number 12 sack. Tackled by number 7 for the Panthers. Si Renz, kasi yung Renz Tomboy. Bad kayo mo ah. Right, second down for Blitzkrieg. The Super Bowl is brought to you by Xavier University, Ateneo de Cagayan. Right, second down on the way, snaps, runs, Baldoman with a receive, running on the other side, tackled again by number 7.
Nice stop! Let's go, man!
Good catch, but good defense as well.
Man, good job!
Napakahanap ni Google kaling. Sitting on the floor.
Yolo! Ball lang, huwag kang makinig! Huwag kang makinig! Watch the ball!
Third down by the Blitzkrieg. Pass. Fake. Pass to Baldoman again. Reach, but tackle. Right, running time. Right. Score is 6-0 in favor of Panthers. Fake pass number 20, tackled by number 23 by the Panthers, but it was a great catch by number 28.
Stop! Rocky!
6-0, 6-0 in favor of Panthers. Yes. While nag-argue ako mga kauban dire, score is 6-0 in favor of Panthers. Right, 23 passing, long pass. Pass is meant to go to Whiteman, but he was defended by number 7. Second down for the Blitzkrieg. He just has crossed the midfield.
Second down for the Blitzkrieg as the Panthers are still leading by 6 points
Second
in
down.
the championship game of
Second down.
the men's division.
Pass to number 13. Number 13 reaches. Misflag, and it was a touchdown ref. I don't want to say it. Touchdown by the Blitz. Blitzkrieg.
And that's a touchdown point by jersey number 13
Of the ball.
from Cebu Blitzkrieg, who evens up the ball game here,
Sir.
6-all. And now for a 1-point conversion,
Conversion is 2 points.
2 points
So
conversion.
2-point conversion. Blitzkrieg is attempting a 2-point conversion.
Let us check if makakakuha ba ng extra point itong Blitzkrieg natin for the first ever touchdown of the game.
Pass. Fakes. Lanorias.
Ball is up. And a good deny by jersey number 14.
Alright, for our last game. Okay pa din. Right, switch. Panthers going on offense. Score is both tied at 6. Right, this is the first Mindanao Majors. QB runs past the number 0. Number 0 goes straight. Tackled by number 12. And they are short for the first down. Panthers, second down.
Panthers now on their second down for this possession. Let's take a look at the play.
7 minutes, 30 seconds. Game for the first half. Running time. Darren snaps.
Jersey number 85 takes the pass down the middle.
Shove. The flag, but got inside the first down. I mean the midfield.
Panthers
First down.
successfully
Great catch by number 19.
crosses the midfield.
QB.
And now
First
another
and
opportunity for the Panthers to
goal by the
enter the end zone and take the lead here for the first half.
Okay. Snaps. Shove pass again.
That's a good
Defended
that's a good deny by jersey number 5.
by the Blitzkrieg. Second down, Panthers. Side pass. 85. Running. Scanning. Passes. Number 0.
A great find by jersey number 85. Okay, jersey number 0.
But they are close. 15. 10-15 yards.
Third down now for the Panthers.
Third down, Panthers. Panthers snap, sides.
Let's take a look.
Scan.
Oh, what a great find there to jersey number 14. And another touchdown
Score
by
is
the Panthers.
6 in favor of the Panthers.
Lamang ngayon yung Panthers ng 6 points sa ating championship match.
Conversion is 1. Go for 1.
Let's go, Joe Burrow.
Let's see.
Alright.
This is gonna be 1
This
point
one
conversion.
point attempt
1 point attempt.
from the Panthers. Snaps.
Jersey number
Runs,
85 throws it
comes
up. And that is good
Touchdown.
for jersey number 0.
Score is 13-6 in favor of the Panthers.
13-6 na po yung ating score ngayon, mga kaibigan, with Panthers on the lead.
Time is 4 minutes 45 seconds on the first half. Running time. Blitzkrieg with a first down as they try to answer the touchdown. Side snaps to number 8, the 28. Ref calls. Was it a catch? It was a catch. It was ruled as a catch. I have some analysts behind me. They are arguing. Okay. Side snaps. Doc Balt with a throw. Overthrown to number 28. Time. 3 minutes 30 seconds for the first half. Score 13-6 in favor of the Panthers. 13 snaps to number 8, fakes it to 23, gets it. Pass, number 13, the snapper gets the pass, the flag by number 19, number 7.
A great defensive stop once again by our Panthers during the third down
Oh, that
of
was the third down. Right now it's
Blitzkrieg.
last attempt.
And let's take a look at the last attempt here by Blitzkrieg
2 minutes,
to
40
move across the
seconds,
midfield.
running time. Side snaps. Number 8, pass to 23.
23 now holding the ball, scanning the field. What's the call, ref?
Reps. Sideline.
Let's wait for the official announcement
Okay, referees.
as the referees are now talking it over
In the middle.
for the right call here. Once again, this is the championship match of Blitzkrieg versus Panthers.
First down by the Blitzkrieg.
All right, so official call.
By number 23.
First down for Blitzkrieg.
Just got in. Mar.
This is the last game for our Mindanao Majors Flag Football League.
Sides number 8. Fakes. To 23.
Back pass, 23 down the middle. As that is gonna be a complete pass, although
6 in favor of the Panthers. Second down. Time remaining for the first half, 1 minute and 20 seconds.
second down for Blitzkrieg. Nice pass to the middle, but he gets stopped by the defenders from the Panthers.
To the touchdown area.
But still, that's a great find down the middle. Maganda yung laro na pinapakita ngayon ng Blitzkrieg against the Panthers. Still trailing
Time.
by 7 points.
40 seconds.
Looking for
Everyone knows.
their next touchdown here.
Side snaps to number 8. Pass to 23. Scanning.
Oh, good catch and good find on jersey number 13. What's the call? What's the call? Referee once again talking things over.
Okay, referee is huddling. Ivan Baldoman with a nice receive.
What's the call on the last play? Touchdown for Blitzkrieg.
Touchdown is called. Means score is 12 and 13 in still favor of the Panthers.
12 against 13 in favor of the
It's a 2-point attempt.
Panthers. Now a 2-point attempt on the conversion here for Blitzkrieg. Trying to take the lead here in the first half. And just a quick shout out to all the viewers out there who are watching in our Facebook official page, Northern Mindanao Flag Football.
This is a conversion, a 2-point attempt by the Blitzkrieg. Time remaining. 2 seconds remaining. So after this, there will probably a last play by the Panthers. 2 minutes. Right, 2-point attempt by the Blitzkrieg. Number 12 is snapping. Alright, all eyes. Pass to 23. Scanning. Fakes. Scan.
Touchdown once again for the Blitzkrieg. An additional 2 points. Ayan, lumamang na. The conversion counts for Blitzkrieg, ladies and gents, with jersey number 9,
End of the first half.
securing that point.
Minute break.
And we will be having a 2-minute break as we enter the second half. Huwag kayong aalis, magbabalik lang po kami. Dito lang yan sa Northern Mindanao Flag Football League. Good afternoon once again and welcome back to the Mindanao Majors
Score.
as we enter the second half.
Blitzkrieg.
Lumamang na ngayon ang Blitzkrieg with a 1-point lead and let's see kung
Right.
makakapuntos ba sila dito as they will be starting the second half on the offense. On the field, we have jersey number 9, 13, 8,
Ano, Blitzkrieg.
23,
My bad. Panthers on the defensive side. Rushes. Pass
and
to
28.
Runs to the side. Deep flag by number 0.
and a great defensive stop by jersey number 0 from the Panthers.
Balhin ko ron sa haba kayong likod. All right. Pass 23. Blind pass. Number 13. With a receive. Third down by the Blitzkrieg.
Third down for the Blitzkrieg, starting the second half here.
Alright. Side steps to number 8. Fake passes. 23. Passes. Goes. Is it in? Is it in? No good.
What's the call on that play? Fourth down.
Was it dropped?
I think it was dropped. Fourth down for the Blitzkrieg.
Would have been so cool. Alright, rundown for the score is still 13-14.
This is the championship game of Blitzkrieg versus Panthers. The 1 point lead from Blitzkrieg in starting the second half now. And a great find to jersey number 13. Blitzkrieg now advances. Oh no, I think it was... I think he was tackled during that play. So now Panthers will be in the offense.
Blitzkrieg on the defensive line now. Defensive side of the ball. Panthers, the first snap. Snaps, scans, pass. Brian. Missed. Flags all over the field. No, let's wait for the call. I don't want to. What's the call? Holding? Illegal contact on the defense.
There is an illegal call from the defense.
The score is still 13-14 in favor of Blitzkrieg.
Abante ngayon yung Panthers. Nice find. Pass incomplete for the Panthers. We're now in their first down.
Gitandong ni Alex. Sorry. Wala din.
Second down. Second down rather for
Time
the
remaining for the second and final half of
Blitzkrieg.
Manila Majors daw. Mindanao Majors. Tagay kong kape. Dumay naman. Yan na. Alright, Mindanao Majors. Panthers snaps. Double grabs. Runs. Deflagged by number 5.
Panthers still able to gain some yards after that play.
Ala. Okay din.
They're trailing by 4 points here in the second half. Let's see if makaka-touchdown pa ba to or will Blitzkrieg
85
stop
on
them
the QB.
one more time here.
Darren Snide snaps.
Back
Goes
pass.
to the QB,
85 runs onto the sidelines.
Number 14 of the
But a great defensive stop there by jersey number 14
No
from the
gain.
Blitzkrieg.
We're back on the same spot.
Balik tayo kung saan nagsimula
Down.
ang Panthers during that last play.
Working on the second
And
half.
there is a substitution here from the Blitzkrieg. Jersey number 9 comes back on the court.
13-14.
Jersey number 24 will be subbed out.
Snaps.
Right.
QB looking.
Oh, what a block! That is a steal! Pero oy! What's the call there? What was the call?
Defensive sequence by number 14, Clifford from the Blitzkrieg.
What a magnificent steal by jersey number 14. Or should I say blocked by jersey number 14 from the Blitzkrieg. Reading that pass At opensa naman ngayon para sa Blitzkrieg.
Side snaps to number 8, Doc Ball. Pass to Ryans. Ryans. On the other side. A quick jab. Okay, referees convening.
Referees are now talking things over once again, making sure to give the right call here in our championship game.
It was a touchdown.
The referee signals for the touchdown.
Score. Score is 20-13 in favor of the Blitzkrieg, and a 2-point attempt for them as well.
A 2-point attempt here for the conversion. If is it successful or not for the Blitzkrieg.
Point attempt by the Blitzkrieg.
Let's take a look.
Time is 7 minutes 30 seconds. We are halfway on the second half. Snaps. Lanorias.
Jersey number 23 looking for a teammate.
Switch.
And that's a good defensive stop there.
Score is back on 22-13 in favor of Blitzkrieg.
Panthers naman ngayon ang oopensa.
One score game with 7 minutes left on the second and final half. All right, Panthers on the offensive side. Snaps. Pass. Drops.
Panthers drops the ball
Second down for the Panthers.
during that last play. Now in their second down. Tingnan natin kung
Panthers on the offensive side. Pass.
kuha ba sila ng yards dito.
Pass. Dennis. Goes out of bounds with his flags intact. Oh, wait. Oh, he stepped on the line. Step on the line. Third down by the Panthers. Third down by the Panthers. Sides. Goes. 85. Cuts. Runs.
Oh no!
All
Well,
right.
a huge play there from the Panthers.
Run by number 85. Panthers, first down.
Panthers with their first down.
Score is 20-13 in favor of Blitzkrieg.
Pero lumalamang pa rin dito ang Blitzkrieg. 20 is the 13.
Right. Side snaps. Goes to
85 once again goes for the run. But he gets tackled by jersey number 14.
Left and right for the Blitzkrieg.
Grabe din to, dumipensa tong si jersey number 14 mula sa Blitzkrieg. Second down ngayon para sa Panthers.
Alright, let's see if the Panthers can convert on the 3 remaining tries. 2 rushers lining up. Snaps. 85 looks. Fakes.
A long pass. And that is good for jersey number 26. What a great find there by jersey number 85. And that is a touchdown. A very great route by jersey number 26.
2019 in favor of Blitzkrieg.
Lamang pa rin ng isang point dito ang Blitzkrieg, but Panthers now has the chance to even things out here in the second half for this 1-point attempt in the conversion. And that is good. Jersey number 0 secures that 1 point. And Panthers now evens up the ball game 20 all for the second half.
Right, running time. 3:40. Time is 3 minutes and 40 seconds. Tied at 20.
Time remaining 3 minutes and 40 seconds.
Side snaps to number 8.
Jersey number 23 goes to jersey number 13. What a great defensive stop once again by jersey number 26 from the Panthers.
They are now on the second down. Last 3 minutes running time. All right. Let's see if this tie would be broken during this play.
Blitzkrieg now. Oh, that's too strong for jersey number 28. Incomplete pass there for the Blitzkrieg, who is now in their third down for this possession.
2 minutes, 30 seconds. We are 30 seconds away from the 2-minute warning. Running time. Third down by the Blitzkrieg. Score tied at 20. Sides. 23.
23 gives it up to jersey number 13. Dodges slicing through the defense, but there is gonna be a call.
Stop.
Blitzkrieg now on their fourth down.
Is stopped at this point. Last down by the Blitzkrieg. Blitzkrieg on his last attempt on crossing midfield.
Fourth down once again for the Blitzkrieg here
Let's see what they come up
in
with
the last 2 minutes of our game.
during a 2-minute warning. Time starts during this one. Let's see. Sides on the left, flags on the play, thrown.
Oh, what a great interception there by jersey number 26.
The play,
Sayang, akala ko maagaw na niya yung bola during that last play.
referee.
What's the call?
Right, referees.
Referees will talk things over once again here to give the call.
We are
Under 2 minutes remaining
of the Super Bowl. Game is against Panthers versus
in the Super Bowl.
League, all the way from Cebu and Panthers from Manila. What is the call? Charles, what's the call? The call?
This is the battle between Cebu versus Manila.
2 minutes remaining, full start. Repeat down by the Blitzkrieg with a 5-yard penalty. Still fourth down.
Blitzkrieg still on their 4th down.
A longer target, but another chance. Side snaps to 8. Quick pass to 23. Receivers.
A long throw, jersey number 13. That's too strong.
It was almost, but it was out of bounds. Switch.
Panthers will now be on the
1 minute and 50
offensive
seconds.
position
Time is
or
left.
defensive side. Masyadong mahaba yung pasa na yon.
Defensive side. Right.
Once again, we would like to thank our official sponsors for this event.
Blitzkrieg
Purple Yam,
on
Grays,
the defensive side.
Optimotion.
Pass for a snap. Snaps 85. Quick to Brian. Brian. D-flag. Number 13. D-flag by number 5. Second down.
And to our official broadcasting partner, Game Time.
40 seconds. Running time. Quick Pass.
Quick pass to the sideline
Goes over.
to jersey number 14.
Out of bounds. Did it go past?
Lumampas ba sa midfield?
Stop clock, yeah. Stop clock, they just went over the midfield.
Okay.
Timer,
Lumagpas nga sa
22 seconds. Time was
midfield
Score is still 20.
yung members dito ng Panthers.
First down.
And now we enter their first down as they will try to get and gain some yards here. Pero jersey number 85 once again, all the way to the sideline, slicing through the defense of Blitzkrieg. As there is a player down here on the field that is jersey number 14. Mukhang nagkaroon ng konting collision doon between those two players. But I think jersey number 14 is still good here.
1 minute exactly.
Last 1 minute on the game clock and we are still tied at 20 sa ating second half.
Alright, so 26 takes the snap. Let's see. Panthers on the second down. Snaps to 85.
Jersey number 85 scanning the floor here. Jersey number 1. Oh, jersey number 0 gets the ball and secures the touchdown for the Panthers. Another point. Another touchdown secured here by Manila Panthers sa ating second half. And takes the lead here. And let us take a look at the conversion. Kung makakakuha ba ng extra point itong Panthers.
Two-point attempt for the Panthers. Score is at 3-0. Time is 30 seconds. 3-0. 26-20 in favor of the Panthers. This is a two-point conversion.
A 2-point conversion here for the Panthers.
And it was low.
Pero na-deflect at na-intercept nga din naman ng mga members ng Blitzkrieg.
Let's see if the offense can have that.
Let us see if makakabawi ba dito ang Blitzkrieg in less than a minute of
Just remember
our game time. Only a 6-point lead here by the Panthers.
Rins Lanoya straight passes, gives it almost number 20.
A long pass to jersey number 13. Ball is still in play. But that is what's the call? What's the call, ref?
Illegal forward pass.
There is an illegal forward pass committed by jersey number 23 on the previous play.
So what happened is number 12 crossed.
Lumagpas daw si jersey number 12.
Timer time. 12 seconds remaining.
The last 12 seconds. Last 12 seconds on the game clock.
Timeout is still available for both teams.
Both teams
Since somebody asked.
meron pang timeouts available dito.
23 passes.
Oh, jersey number 12 fumbles the ball and drops it.
8 seconds remaining.
8 seconds remaining on the game clock.
8 seconds
And this is the
for the
So this is the third down for the Blitzkrieg.
Okay, both timeouts are still intact. With 8 seconds remaining. Stop time at 8 seconds. Score is 20-26 in favor of the Panthers. Timeout, Blitzkrieg. 1 timeout remaining for Blitzkrieg. 20 seconds. Okay, 8 seconds. Timeout over. 8 seconds left. A possible. Let's go. All comes down to this.
All right, jersey number 9 throws a very long pass.
Almost intercepted. No time?
Is there still time left? No time remaining, and that is our final score, 26-20, with a 6-point lead here by the Panthers. As our Panthers is our champions for our Mindanao Majors.
Okay, clean up crew. Let's start. Apil. Apil ba? Ano to? Dahil na. Congratulations. It was a hell of a Super Bowl with just 1 touchdown lead. Oh, hello. All right, thank you for coming, guys. We appreciate. Socials will start at socials will be ready at around 7:30, and we'll start at 8:30. It will be on traffic. It is around Rotonda near the Divisoria. I will give the updates on the captain's GC, and we'd like to thank everyone for coming here. Thank you, guys. Have a good game, and thank you, Mar. And thank you, Optimotion. And please like and subscribe. Ang basura ninyo, please to pagtapok. Pwede yung gisawin limpyo. And please, all the chairs, put it back on your respective tents as we go forward.
Ay, so na.
There's no fault. Again.